Welcome back to ClearTask. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. Let's get right into it. First, open your Google Docs document. To access the header area, simply double-click the top margin of your first page. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Headers and Footers, and select Header. Once the header section is active, you will notice a small options menu appear right below the header line. By default, any text you type here will automatically duplicate across every page in your document. To prevent this, simply check the box labeled Different First Page. Now you can type your desired header text onto the first page. Feel free to format it however you need. You can make it bold, center the alignment, or change the font color. Next, scroll down to your second page. Because we checked the different first page option, this header is now completely separate. If there is any leftover text here from before, just highlight and delete it. Your first page will now keep its formatted header, while the second page and beyond remain completely blank at the top. It really is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.